All right, it's time for our end of day post wave report of yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous post wave price trigger reports. All right, so today was one of those days. It was a bittersweet day. The markets punished us in some securities, but overall, it was still a positive day. Ended the day in the black, booked some profits, booked some gains. But we got to talk about the ones that got away, the ones that punished us. We got to talk about those. See, here at Post Wave Trading, we don't just talk about the good old times. We talk about the good, the bad, the happy, the sad, and we go in. We don't avoid difficult conversations, difficult topics. We don't just talk about winners. We talk about losers as well. One of the reasons for that is because you can learn a lot more from your losing trades than you can from your winning trades. Winning is easy, but taking losses is difficult. It's difficult on the psyche. It's difficult in many facets. So we deal with those things here. So let's talk about where we got punched in the face today. You know, you can't win every trade, no matter how good you are, no matter how good your methodology, your algorithms. Nothing is 100% perfect. If anyone says that they are lying to you. Now, yes, we do win a majority of our trades. We are profitable, consistently profitable traders here at PulseWave Trading. We have a very robust methodology that works in all markets. All right, doesn't matter if it's a stock, if it's a bond, if it's a precious metal, some other commodity futures contracts, cryptocurrency, doesn't matter. Foreign exchange, doesn't matter. We trade everything. So let's talk about the ones that punched us in the face today. We'll start off with the very first one, and that is the Nasdaq 100. Now, me and the Nasdaq 100, we go way back. We are boys. We are peoples. But today, I guess we had an argument, and he won. So what happened was, I took a gamble. I took a long position here, and I got caught in the washing machine. I was holding along, and you see the market did this to me today. There was nothing I could do about it. So I said, okay, fine, you got this one. But I can't cry because I was booking it all the way from this short from March the 30th. So can I really cry? I caught from this bar all the way down to this bar, and then got long and got hurt. So I can't really complain, but I still have to show you what happened because that's what we do here. We just got caught out there. That's all. We just had to give back a little bit, but look what we gained. We gave this up, but we gained all of this. So still a net win at the end of the day. But just want to show that to you. This Nasdaq is falling apart on the daily chart. The bears are just stomping. Look how grown up the bear is now. When we first started talking about this, it was a little teeny little baby bear, but now it's a big old red grizzly bear. The bear is getting deeper and stronger. The selling pressure is escalating. The Nasdaq is falling apart. The bearish pointer from back here has been clearly taken out, as bearish pointers always are. Where do we go from here? It's up to the market. We'll see. We'll find out. But as for now, I'm ready to get back in. If the market's going to keep dropping like a stone, I'd like to be short. But if we're going to get a turnaround somewhere around in here, then I'll be ready for that too. But I had to show you this one first because the Nasdaq really hurt us today. It hurt my feelings today. I thought we were closer than that. I thought we were peoples. But I guess Nasdaq just got tired of me. He said, you know, you've been taking too much money out of me, and you're going to get some of that back. So I gave a little bit of it back. Okay, the other market that got me today was the Bitcoin futures, not the cash market. We'll talk about that one later. That one got me too. So Bitcoin got me both ways. Got me in the futures, got me in the cash. So as you can see here, the market has been consolidated with a bearish bias, right? So, we were coming along. I was shorting. I was enjoying myself, right? Got stopped and reversed long on this bar here, and then the market did this to me today. So it chopped me up. But again, can I cry when I've been shorting it since back here? Can I cry about, a bad day? No, no, I cannot. So I gave a little bit back today. So we're ready. We've dusted ourselves off. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready for the next round. So if this market's going to keep falling, fine. We'll be ready for it. Futures rollover is happening though too, so just keep that in mind. Rolling over to the next front month contract, so that's a reason for a lot of the chop as well. But you are in a bear, a very grown grizzly bear, and he's not stopping. I think this bearish pointer here and here are in play, so I'm ready to get back short when the market's ready to fall again. All right, and like I said, it got me on the cash side of the aisle too. I can't front. I got chopped. Same kind of bar, just not as pronounced as the futures. But you can see here where it looked like it was going to run, and I got caught in that, and then the market took me down. So it got me. But again, can I cry when I've been selling since here? No. All right. Whenever the market's getting toward the end of a cycle, you can get these kind of volatilities where it runs the support and resistance of the prior bar, and that's what happened here. All right, so I think though that this bearish pointer here and here, just like on the futures chart, is in play, and that's what we're going to see happening. All right, so it is what it is. Okay, the last chart that chopped me up today hurt my feelings. I thought we were closer than this. Was the Ethereum Futures. The Ethereum Futures got me just like the Dow did. I mean, not the Dow, the Bitcoin. Bitcoin and the Ethereum, same price pattern. This bar right here is what chopped me. So again, I've been selling since here. Can I cry that it got me a little bit right here? No, we gave a little back. That's fine. Go over here to the Ethereum on the cash side of things. All right. And here's where the crypto itself got me. So it did a similar bar as the futures and chopped me up right there. So it got me, took back some money. Again, we were short since here, and we were short again here. So can I cry that I gave a little bit back? No, not really. It comes with the territory. Now, for those of you who are listening to this broadcast and you are not members of PulseWave Trading, you should really go over there. Go to pulsewavetrading.com and sign up to get these reports so you can participate in these gains too. I'm going to show you something real quick. If I can, let's see if it'll let me. Let's see. Okay, looks like I can show you. Computer's acting a little slow now. Don't know why that is, but it's acting a little slow. Doesn't want to cooperate. All right, let's try something else. Let's see. Okay. It doesn't want to cooperate. I did want to show you something though. Let's see here. Try this again. Try this another way. All right, here we go. Let me switch my screen. All right. Let's see here. Here we go. Okay. So here's how things went for us today on the forex side of things. We walked away today with 133 pips in the euro currency, 262 pips in the euro yen, 156 pips in the Canadian dollar, and 596 pips in the British pound, the pound sterling. All right, so can I really cry that Bitcoin hurt me a little bit today and that Ethereum hurt me a little bit today and that the Nasdaq 100 hurt me a little bit today? Nope. Not when you're booking gains like this. How many people you know can take this many pips out of 4 different currency pairs like that on a consistent basis? We just robbed the bank today. Almost 600 pips in the pound sterling. Yeah, that's what we do at PulseWave Trade. That doesn't include the shorts that we liquidated today in gold and silver and the Russell, my hustle. Yeah, we booked gains across the board today. Today was booking day. You book gains when you see them. And now we're positioning ourselves to get back in the market. So now let me go over to the next thing I want to show you here. And this is the dollar. Um, the dollar is really being propped up. I mean, the central bank doesn't have a choice, do they? So this dollar is just running. We're now getting close to the 103 handle. We'll see how long they can keep this going, but we will see. We will see. Yeah, thanks, man. You gotta stack those pips, man. You gotta stock those pips. We trade everything here. That's what I like to show you. I show you everything that we do, so you can get a good idea. He said $1. $1.10, man, 110 plus, dude. That's gonna be that's scary, man. That's scary. I hope we don't see that, but that's not looking. Oh, do you know what that means, man? You're talking about super hyperbolic, parabolic inflation on a massive scale. All right, here is gold. Now, gold is also, I think they just rolled over the futures contract, so we're now in the next front month, and you can see here where the market kind of paused today. That was a good place to take profits, especially because we added on short here. So we went and took that, booked those gains. Now we're waiting to see what the market's going to do next. Here is silver, real quick, and you can see same thing here as with the gold. We started shorting here and here. We added here, and then we got out today on this bar here. So very nice riding on these markets. Today was like I say, profit booking day. We didn't get a chance to get back into oil yet. So here's what oil's looking like on the daily chart. You know, it's chopping its way around too. I don't know what it wants to do, but we're going to be prepared. I think it's ready for a new leg down. So we'll see what happens with that. You wouldn't expect it though. You would think that the market would be on some other kind of kick because of the war and stuff, but not really. It's kind of like doing its own thing. All right, here's the S&P 500, the ticker SPY. And you can see here it is also just giving up the ghost. I think it wants to come and test this support low back here. This is not a bearish pointer. It's just a support low. It's a key support low. So if the market takes that out, the market could really crash and burn, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, really, it could look quite ugly. Here's the QQQ. All right, now the QQQ, same thing. This is not a pointer. Neither is this one. The last super bearish pointer you had was way back here, and it's been taken out. So these markets are looking like they are ready to roll over, like we haven't even seen the lows yet. Here's what the Fed has been doing with your bonds, with your berry bonds. All right, so it looks like we're heading higher in the bonds. We had this primary rally alert here. The market waited 2 days before it started to give us upside production, and now here it is. The market's ready to run. I might take a nibble on this TLT tomorrow. I'll see. I'll see what the report says. If the PulseWave say look for something, then I'll look for it, and then I'll update you on the journal. All right, I think that's all we got time for today. Here's Litecoin, just real quick. It's doing exactly what as I expected, consolidating, but still eking out those additional weekly lows, because I think it's chasing the bearish pointer from back here. So I think this one will continue to fall as well. So I'm telling you, man, I think these markets are ready to rock and roll. I really do. I think they're ready to rock and roll, and I want to be right there with them. Here's your Facebook real quick. This is for you, Rob. If you're listening, it's for you, man. Here's your Facebook. My man Rob, one of our traders in the trading room, man, he called this Facebook long ago. He told us that based on his research that this was going to happen, and he was right. I have to give it to my man Rob, man. Hats off to you, player. You called it. You said the Facebook was fake and it was going to get exposed, and that's exactly what happened here. This market has yet to come back and fill the gap it made from February the 2nd. Look how long in the tooth I mean, these markets are doing so. That's all you can do is just track it and trade it, man. Um, I don't know. I don't know. I can't call it. I really can't. All right, so that's all I got time for, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a long day. I got to roll out. Yes, it is looking like the tech sector wants to give up the ghost. So, if you are a subscriber, go ahead. I finished the trade journal before I did this video, so you can see my positions. All right, I'm done, you guys. Remember, smash that like button, and remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Peace.